In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram account private. After creating your Instagram account, you want to own some level of privacy. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Proceed to tap on these three ellipses on the top right corner. Then continue to tap on settings and privacy. You land onto an interface like this. Scroll down until you locate account privacy and proceed to tap on it. In order to make your Instagram account private, all you have to do is to toggle private account on. A caveat to call out: when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages and your followers and followings list. So once you are setting with everything, you can proceed to toggle this on. And congratulations, you have successfully made your Instagram account private. As I said, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.